Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own lesson planner using Notion. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have a customized digital planner that's perfect for teachers, helping you organize your lessons, track progress, and keep everything you need all in one place. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking for more efficient ways to plan your classes, I'll walk you through each step so you can get set up with confidence. Let's dive right in. First up, make sure you're in your Notion workspace. If you haven't signed in already, just open up your browser and head to Notion. You'll see your workspace, which is the blank canvas where all your notes, projects, and databases live. Now, this is where the magic begins. You want to start fresh, so look for the option to add a new page. You'll usually find this in the side panel. It's often represented with a little plus sign or a new page button. Go ahead and click that. Don't rush this part. Creating a new page is like opening a new notebook for a specific subject you want to focus on. It keeps things neatly organized so you don't end up with a crowded workspace later down the road. Next, let's make your life a little easier by using a template. When you create a new page, Notion gives you a handy option to select a template. Templates are pre-designed layouts made to fit different use cases, whether it's managing a project or, you guessed it, planning lessons. Instead of building out every section from scratch, like headings, tables, or calendars, you can save loads of time by starting with a template that's already formatted for educators. Just click on Select a Template, and you'll see a gallery of choices pop up. Here comes the fun part: typing Planner for Teacher into the search bar. Notion's template gallery is pretty vast, so using the search function is the quickest way to zero in on lesson planning templates that are tailored for teachers. Once you type it in, you'll see a handful of different options. Some might include weekly overviews, daily schedules, spaces for class goals, or even places to attach files and links. Take a moment to scroll through and preview a few designs. You want to pick one that matches your planning style. If you like having a calendar view to see your week at a glance, pick a template with that feature. Prefer a checklist approach? Look for that. Don't worry if you're not totally sure right now. You can always tweak things later. Once you've found a template you like, just select it. Notion will load it into your new page, and now you're ready to personalize. Editing is as easy as clicking in and typing, dragging blocks around, or deleting anything you don't need. Swap out generic titles with your actual subjects, add lesson objectives, or set up a quick to-do list for each class. Picture this like arranging your desk. Put the things you use often front and center, move the less important stuff to the side, and organize everything so it makes sense to you. Don't stress if it's not perfect right away. You can always adjust and refine as you use it, and that's one of the best things about Notion. It grows with your workflow. And that's it. You now have a digital lesson planner set up and ready to go. With just a few clicks, you've got a streamlined space dedicated to teaching, making your day-to-day planning smoother and a lot more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Notion tips like this. Got questions about customizing your planner or want to share your own favorite templates? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.